Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. 6 divided by 2, s divided by 2. So we have 3 minus s over 2. The integration of number 3, we have 3s. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2, and we have another number 2 in here. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. So this one you got number 4. And now we put the value of number 4 go in here, number 1 go in here. So we have the final answer in here, 21 over 4. Question number 2. 1 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, but we have the negative sign here. So we have negative 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 s. So 4 minus 1 over 4, we have 15 over 4. Now, the integration of this number, you will have about 15 over 4s. The integration of s, we have s to the power of number 2 over 2. So we put the bounds in here from 0 to number 5. And now we can get the final answer. That is about 225 over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.